Hello, and welcome to today's webinar on Ensora. To start off with, to sign up for ERX, offices need to be on support with Open Dental to sign up initially. We do recommend using the latest stable version of Open Dental for ERX, and it is only available for US-based offices. In order to sign up for Ensora, please contact Open Dental support and request an appointment for identity proofing. A technician will assist with scheduling for a time that works for both your provider and our team. Once an ERX coordinator contacts the provider for the appointment, we will assist with setup. We do need to make sure that the database is set up correctly to limit issues and errors along the way. All providers looking to prescribe with Ensora need to complete an identity proofing appointment. All users who will be using Ensora will log into Open Dental as themselves and select the patient through the Select Patient in the upper left corner and finding the patient in the list. Click on the chart button on the left. If the patient is under the age of 18, we will need to enter some vital signs for their height and weight. That can be found here in the medical info area. Click on the vital signs tab at the top. Here we have an approximate height and weight already entered. Click save and save again. Next, click on the ERX button in the top left and wait for Ensora to load. This is the landing page for Ensora, where you'll see the patient's name in the upper left corner, along with their date of birth, their height and weight, as it's imported from Open Dental. First, we'll select a pharmacy to send the prescriptions to, here with the pharmacy dropdown. If the pharmacy to send to is not listed, we will click on Add Pharmacy. And here we will search for the pharmacy with the search function. With pharmacy searches, if you are not finding it with all the criteria entered, try changing the criteria or removing some of the fields to open the list for more search results. Here we'll go ahead and select the pharmacy at the bottom, and it attaches to the patient list. If a pharmacy needs to be deleted, that can be done here as well. Click on the delete button and it removes it from the patient. All pharmacies can be found in the patient details tab at the top. We'll go back to our Compose Rx tab here at the top left. Next, we will search for a prescription to send to a pharmacy. In the drug search, we'll search for our prescription by name. If you are unable to find a prescription by the brand name, go ahead and use the generic. Here, we'll go ahead and select the black words to show the different types and dosages available to send. Once selected, it will open our SIG Builder. The SIG Builder will read straight across as telling the patient to take one tablet by mouth for the designated frequency. Here, I'm going to select twice a day. The dispense amount does automatically calculate based off of the day's supply selected times the frequency. So if we select 7, we can see that it automatically calculates 14 tablets to dispense. If we have a custom amount to dispense, we can definitely type that in as well. At the bottom, we can add additional information for our patient to take with food or really any instructions that you have for your patient in addition to the SIG. Next, we'll go ahead and either queue the prescription for a pending status or prescribe it to the pharmacy. I'm going to click on Queue Prescription so we can see that it does send it to our pending RX queue. These are prescriptions that are waiting to be sent to pharmacies. They have not been transmitted yet and will be pending until they are sent. Any user can log into Open Dental and come into the electronic prescription window for Ensora, deselect any prescriptions that do not need to be sent or need to be sent by a provider. In this case, a controlled substance does need to be sent by a doctor, so we will leave it in our pending prescription queue. I'm going to send this prescription by clicking on Prescribe, where we can review what pharmacy to send it to and change that as needed. Click on the Transmit button to send it to the pharmacy. This is our confirmation window showing that the prescription has been either faxed or electronically prescribed to the pharmacy designated on the prescription. We can either print the prescription for the patient to take along with them for reference. We also have some coupons at the bottom available as needed. When you're finished prescribing, close the Ensora window, and this will sync any medications sent into Open Dental for all users to review. Click on the eRx button again to launch Ensora. Here in the admin tab at the top, we have some lists over in the list maintenance area on the left. Location pharmacies are pharmacies that the office frequently prescribes to and can be easily selected when searching for a pharmacy. You can set a default pharmacy for the office by clicking on the checkbox on the left, and this will set the default for all patients who do not currently have a pharmacy selected. Going back up to the admin tab at the top, click on the compounds maintenance on the left, and this list will allow you to create compounds that the office prescribes to pharmacies, such as Magic Mouthwash. Clicking on admin again at the top, we have a drug sets maintenance. This list will allow you to create drug sets, which are individual prescriptions to be queued together and are frequently prescribed together. Clicking on admin again at the top. And if we click on the doctor's quick Rx list, we can see that this is a list of prescriptions that are commonly prescribed by the provider. These will save the same SIG for the prescription, so it can easily be queued and sent without having to create the SIG each and every time. Each provider does have their own quick Rx list, which can be toggled here with the dropdown. To use these lists, in the Compose Rx button, we'll click on the corresponding button here on the right underneath the pharmacy dropdown. And each list will show what the office has created. We have a tasks button in the upper right corner, which shows pending prescriptions for the office. You can filter by provider at the top. It will also show any pharmacy refill requests or renewal requests made by pharmacies on behalf of patients. And at the bottom, if there are any failed prescriptions that did not send to a pharmacy. When you're all done, go ahead and close the Ensora window, and you're ready to move on to the next patient.
Thanks for joining us today. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team at 503-363-5432 or click the question mark in any Open Dental window to access our help feature. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest training videos. See you next time.